How to mark as pending on Facebook Marketplace. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you want to change your products or items on Facebook Marketplace as pending, then here is the tutorial. So first of all, open your Facebook and get logged in with your credentials. Now tap on the Marketplace option and here you can see all your listings on the top. In order to create a new listing, tap on the Sell button and go to Items. This is one way to post or list your products. However, if you already have an item and you want to change it into pending, tap on the three dots next to it. Here you have mark as pending option, and this way it will be converted into pending. So this is how you can list all of your items on the Facebook Marketplace as pending. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.